Hi everyone, it's Liam at Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Toyota Camry. Now of course this has got full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You've got front parking sensors. It is a self-charging hybrid as well, and you also get these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. Around to the rear now, I've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which is just up at the top here. Then into the tailgate. Of course, if you need to get into it, there is a button inside. Alternatively, press here, and once pressed, the tailgate will lift up like so, which, as you can see, you've got plenty of room in here. You've then also got a 50-50 split rear bench with 60-40 split. The toggles are here, which you can see will open that little hatch just there. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car now, we've got full leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric automatic windows all around, keyless entry and start. Inside you've got your heated seats, electric handbrake, EV mode, which will go purely EV power, or sorry, hybrid battery power, auto hold, sports mode, normal mode, eco mode, and then we have your automatic gearbox in the middle. You've got dual climate control in the front, which you can see just there, and then we have your infotainment display. When in here you can see that you do get AM, FM, DAB, Bluetooth audio, disc, USB, Miracast auxiliary. Then of course if you go on to map, you've got satellite navigation. Then over to the steering wheel, you have your onboard computer controls on the left with your media volume and voice assistant down below. Over to the right, you've got your cruise control here as well, along with your track selecting source just below. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this Camry has only done 31,078 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Camry, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.